Do you sometimes find the smartphone screen annoyingly small when you're out flying? In this video I want to show you a pretty smart tablet holder that will allow you to use an iPad or an Android tablet together with your Spark, Mavic Air or Mavic Pro. Are you new around here and want to pick up tips and tutorials about your drone and step up your video game? Then consider subscribing. A couple of months ago the company Freewell sent me a tablet holder for review, and while I'm firing up the grill I thought it would be a nice idea to make a short video for you guys to show you how this tablet holder works. The tablet holder comes in this package and you get the following parts. You assemble it like this. Now we're ready to try it in the remote, and because all the three remotes for the Mavic Air, Spark and Pro is basically the same, I'll be using the Mavic Air for this example together with my iPad mini. You mount the holder securely between the arms where the phone normally goes. You can decide different mounting positions according to your personal preference. The tablet slides in nicely in the spring-assisted clamp, covered with foam to protect your tablet from scratches. To be able to use this solution, you need to get a cable that connects from the bottom of the remote to the side of the iPad. I really like the build quality and how the tablet is positioned in relation to the sticks. You can adjust the viewing angle through the ball head. In the package there's also a strap that you can use to mount on the tablet holder to relieve some of the weight from the remote and tablet. This might be a nice solution, but so far I haven't used it. Let's fire up the system, and as you can see, this increases the screen real estate significantly. It's a nice product that really does what it promises, and it's not very expensive. It's around $40. And you can find a link in the description below if you decide to get one. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If so, then make sure to hit the like button. And if you're new around here, then consider subscribing to my weekly tips, tests and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.